This is a national model of teachers working with their superintendents, working in the public space, in public schools, with industry, in partnership for the American dream.
We are going at rapid speed because the future is right there. We have no time to wait. That's the urgency we bring to this. That's why having Randy Weingard, Melinda and Mike on board, and all the people they represent, this is how you seize the future.
Feedback on the workforce plan, on the community plan, on the model itself that we're building here in Central New York, where it is public and private partnership, everyone coming together to be part of this. The feedback is incredible.
This is a real solution for kids and communities.